Information Technology Ministry in Islamabad. But it is just the first step. It's a long way to go. And I have to say, because we are sitting like a family here, my brother, President of UAE, Mohammed bin Zayed, has been extremely generous, like his great father, supporting Pakistan in the most difficult times of our history. And if you ask me, I will never forget his generosity and support to Pakistan in very difficult times. أنا يعني لا ننسى هذا مساعدة أبدا إن شاء الله. But now times have changed, and I have come here. Inshallah, I will be having some meetings here, and then also have the honor of calling on him today, inshallah. And my main subject would be that, my dear brother, like your great father, you have supported Pakistan like a family member, like a brother. But today I am here in this great country, this great brotherly country, not to seek for loans, but to seek joint collaboration. Seek joint investments which have mutual benefits for the investor and draw dividends through hard work, ingenuity, and by using modern tools and skills. And I want to share with you the broad parameters of our program, that we want to provide highest quality vocational training and empower our youth with modern skills so that they can come to UAE, to Abu Dhabi, to Dubai, and by fulfilling legal formalities, open their offices here and have small, medium enterprises. From Pakistan, from Lahore, from Karachi, from Quetta and Peshawar, provide services through a remote mechanism and make livelihood. Support SMEs, startups, and other integral activities combined with this. And I am prepared to take that risk, believe me, because nothing can be achieved without taking daring risk. I am ready, along with my colleagues, to move forward in this field. My sister Tanya Andrus is sitting in front of me, and with a lot of conviction and hard work, I plugged her from private business to support my efforts in the service of the people of Pakistan. Similarly, Asif Peer, he is minting money. Good luck to him. But then the people of Pakistan should be minting